I'm Wanda from Alanda Craft, and today we're going to be testing to see if the xTool D1 can engrave on quilting fabric. As you know, we use a lot of quilting fabric. So we're going to set up a grid here, and what I've done is I've kept the speed at 100, and I've done that for all of the pieces that we're going to test, but I've changed the level of the power, so it's gone from 30, 25, 20, 15 and 10. So we'll see how it works. Okay, so away we go. The xTool is, as you can see, engraving on the quilting fabric, and we're getting different levels of the result. And you can see here that at the higher levels it actually has made an impression, but the lower levels haven't actually worked at all, one of them. Now you can see here that when I turn it over that there's no degradation on the back, it hasn't burnt through to the back. So, and when we played with it and tried to see how it had gone, there's no tearing there. So it works quite well on engraving on quilting fabric, which is quite surprising. I mean, we've done it on denim before, but this is it's really good to know that it works on quilting fabric as well. Okay, so what I've done is I've set it up here so that we have a different strength on different parts of the design. So we have a 25 and a 20, and this will give me a different look. So we'll just press start and away we go, and you can see here that's doing a beautiful job. This is going to look lovely. Now if you're thinking of getting one of these for the craft room, I can really recommend it. They are fantastic. Now xTool are having a fabulous sale at the moment on all their machines, and so if you're thinking about getting one, now's the time to do it, of course. And why not think about giving one for your husband, and then you can use it whenever you like. What a great idea. Okay, so there you are. You can see the two different levels that I've used and how they stand out on the quilting material. You can see that it didn't come through to the back. It's just simply taken away the dye level on the front. Now I'm thinking of making these into mug rugs. I think they'll make really nice mug rugs. I'll just cut them up, add some batting and some backing, and sew them together using our envelope method. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.